Hello everybody, I'm inviting you to International Social Business Summer Program 2020. We already have several others in the past years. This will be the fourth summer program. This will be concentrating on social business. The world is passing through a very difficult time. These issues are raised again and again, particularly by the young people. They're questioning the future life they're waiting for. The life is not looking very attractive because of the problems that we have been accumulating over years. Problem of environment, for example. It's a huge problem. It even raises the question whether the Earth will continue to be as it is, whether the planet will continue to be a livable planet, whether human life will be possible on this planet. And not for after a long period, not for after 100 or 200 years. It's about 20, 30 years. So not much time left. So we have to do something. What will be the role of human being? Massive number of people will be thrown out of jobs. Not in millions, but in terms of billions. There's all the people who are now working in offices, in factories, in commercial institutions, in academic institutions, would not be necessary because artificial intelligence will take them over. That's fine, but what happens to human beings? Should we pursue this path of bringing artificial intelligence in replacing a human being? That's a question we have to answer because otherwise we see no future for us. So whatever has to be done today. So these are the questions that we will be discussing in this summer program. This is a collaboration between Daffodil University, International Daffodil University in Bangladesh, and Yunus Center in Bangladesh. And Bangladesh is an exciting place for all these questions because we have been addressing this for many years. And we created many examples how to overcome all these problems. In a package, we call them social business. Business of another kind. A business where you don't want to make money. Conventional economics teaches you to make money, maximize your profit. We said that's a disaster path. We don't want to follow that path. We want to follow a different path, which will make the world a beautiful place to live, rather than a disaster coming to us. So we want to overcome this disaster and create a new civilization in the process. The old civilization is almost coming to an end because it cannot survive itself. So we need to create a new civilization where we will survive, not only survive, live with happiness. Bangladesh is interesting because this is where all began. The questioning of the whole economic theory. First we did the microcredit, Grameen Bank, defined the conventional banking, which concentrates on providing the financial services to the rich people to make them richer. We said, no, we can create a financial institution differently to reach out to the poor people, which conventional banking system didn't agree. They thought it cannot be done. We have shown that it can be done. So the idea of microcredit, Grameen Bank was born in Bangladesh and spread all over the world. And we talk about 3 zeros: zero poverty, zero unemployment, zero net carbon emission. And that's the goal. And we can achieve this goal by introducing social business. And how we have done it in Bangladesh, there are many, many programs on the basis of that idea of social business in the concrete way. So these became examples for the whole world. This is something that you'll love to see. It's a lifetime experience. So don't miss that. Register yourself. Lots of people will be waiting for you to explain to you how this is done. So you'll be learning from the people who made it, who created it. And then you can pass it on to other young people and question everything that you see around yourself and come with the solutions from your side. So that will be an exciting experience for all of you. I hope to see you in July. I look forward to it, talking to you. Thank you.